The RICOH WUL5A50 is a compact laser projector that proves small size doesn't mean compromising on performance. Designed for professional environments, it offers 5,200 lumens of brightness, which ensures clear, vibrant images even in well-lit rooms. With a native WUL5A resolution of 1920 by 1200, it provides sharp, detailed visuals for presentations, spreadsheets, and high-definition media. The addition of 4K input support ensures future-proof compatibility, letting you display modern content without losing clarity or detail. One of the standout features of this projector is its 3 LCD technology. Unlike traditional DLP projectors, it delivers rich, consistent colors with no rainbow effect, giving a more natural, accurate image. Text is crisp and easy to read, while graphics and videos appear lively and engaging. This makes it perfect for classrooms, office spaces, and digital signage where clarity and visual fidelity are critical. Flexibility in installation is another strong suit of the WUL5A50. It supports full 360-degree placement, so it can project onto walls, ceilings, or angled surfaces without compromising image quality. Vertical lens shift and automatic image correction features ensure the display is aligned correctly, even in tricky setups. This adaptability makes it ideal for unconventional spaces or areas where traditional projector placement isn't possible. Maintenance is minimal thanks to its long-lasting laser light source, rated for up to 30,000 hours. This significantly reduces replacement costs and downtime, making it a reliable option for long-term use. The compact, lightweight design also makes it easy to move between rooms or event venues, adding another layer of convenience for professional use. Performance is consistently impressive. Motion handling is smooth, colors remain vibrant, and text is always legible. It's a versatile tool, suitable for professional presentations, educational applications, or digital signage. Even for casual media, the WUL5A50 provides a bright, clear, and enjoyable viewing experience. Its combination of portability, brightness, and image quality makes it an excellent investment for anyone who needs professional projection without the bulk of traditional units. The WUL5A50 proves that high performance doesn't require a large footprint. With versatile installation options, long-lasting maintenance-free operation, and accurate, bright visuals, it's built to meet the demands of modern workspaces and learning environments. Whether for business, education, or digital signage, this projector delivers professional results reliably and efficiently. It's compact, capable, and ready to handle the demands of any space where crisp, vibrant projection is needed.